Looking to transform your outdoor space without committing to a complete renovation? Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest impact. At System Pavers, we understand that creating your dream outdoor living area doesn't always mean tackling everything at once. Strategic, budget-friendly improvements can dramatically enhance your outdoor experience while delivering impressive returns on your investment. Here are 5 small outdoor renovations that give you maximum bang for your buck, no matter when you're ready to start. A professionally installed paver patio or walkway creates both style and function in your outdoor space. These durable, weather-resistant surfaces establish defined areas for relaxing and entertaining while adding significant value to your home. With endless design options, you can perfectly match your home's aesthetic. Even starting with a small patio or pathway creates structure and flow that can be expanded later. The best part? A well-designed paver installation can deliver up to 60% return on investment when it's time to sell. Nothing brings people together like gathering around a fire pit on a cool evening. This relatively small investment creates an instant focal point for your outdoor space and extends its usability into cooler months. Whether you prefer the convenience of gas or the ambiance of wood burning, a custom fire pit is at the top of many homeowners' wish lists. Pair it with a small paver seating area for a cozy, finished look that can increase your home's value by as much as 15%. Landscape lighting is one of the most cost-effective ways to elevate your outdoor space. Well-placed lights enhance security and nighttime visibility while showcasing your home's best features. Energy-efficient LED options create a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for evening gatherings. Focus on illuminating pathways, trees, and seating areas for maximum impact. This simple upgrade can dramatically boost curb appeal after dark. Tired of battling patchy grass, weeds, and muddy spots? Artificial turf offers a lush, green look year-round with zero maintenance. It's perfect for smaller yards or areas where natural grass struggles to grow. With no need for watering, mowing, or fertilizing, artificial turf provides a clean, even surface that's ideal for kids and pets. It also helps with drainage and reduces water usage, potentially increasing your home's value while lowering ongoing maintenance costs. A stylish pergola or shade structure adds both form and function to your backyard. It defines your space, provides relief from the sun, and makes your outdoor area feel like a true extension of your home. Pergolas offer the perfect structure for climbing plants or hanging lights, enhancing both the design and comfort of your outdoor living space. Pair it with a small paver patio to create an intimate dining or seating area that can increase your home's value by as much as 10%. Starting small with outdoor improvements allows you to see immediate benefits without a major investment. These projects not only enhance how you use your space, they also lay the foundation for future upgrades. And when you're ready for the next step, System Pavers offers special financing options to make your dream outdoor space more affordable. Investing in your outdoor living area does so much more than simply increase your home's value. You'll be creating a place where you'll love to spend time with family and friends for years to come. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Contact System Pavers today to schedule your free design consultation and start creating the outdoor living area you've always wanted.